Very good morning from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk European morning briefing for today, Friday the 21st of October. Very quiet session in Europe so far. Market participants just looking ahead to the Eurogroup summit on the weekend. Equity markets just sitting in some positive territory. Nothing too major moves worth of note. The euro currency did come under some selling pressure across the board, supporting the dollar in early trade. However, we are now back to unchanged across most of the currency pairs. Looking at the news flow, it's been reported that the ESM and the EFSF are to be merged to create a $1.3 trillion unit for firepower to counteract the Eurozone debt crisis. And now the Eurogroup summit on Sunday does not look to be the key solution deal breaker. It's now been switched to Wednesday next week, where France and Germany will unveil the approved measures for counteracting the Eurozone debt crisis. That's just to give us some further time to iron out their differences. So Wednesday now the key date. Elsewhere, some comments from S&P overnight saying that if there is a double-dip recession in the Eurozone, France may lose its AAA rating at Standard & Poor's, alongside some further cuts of ratings of Spain and Italy. And on the Newswires today, Fitch's analyst, the managing director, Riley, saying they have no plans to change their AAA rating for France, just providing a lift in sentiment across the European asset classes in recent trade. Looking elsewhere in the currency space, there was some buying of the Swissy overnight, many market participants attributing this to reallocations ahead of the Swiss elections over the weekend. Other market talk of Chinese investment into one of the big Swiss banks coming into the Swiss currency strength there. However, this is unconfirmed. Otherwise, note is relatively quiet also in the US session, very little in terms of data. Looking up for the Canadian CPIs alongside several Fed speakers, including Koshler-Kota, and in terms of earnings today, we're looking out for General Electric and McDonald's. Otherwise, have yourselves a great weekend.